What do you want me to do with your phone, you said, sir?
I need a screen protector for my phone.
You need a screen protector for this phone?
Yes.
Which phone is it? XR? $50.
I got this case I can get
Case for what?
for the screen protector. $50 is a lot for it.
What? So you're gonna give me this case, this used case, and then you want me to put the screen protector for this one?
Yeah, because I don't need that case.
Nah. It doesn't work like that, man. You have to give me some money.
I don't got it right now.
$30. I'll do it for you.
Come on, this screen protector case is like $50. What I need it for?
Either you give me $50, you keep your case, used case, or you give me $30 and plus the case.
All right, you gotta wait till I come back, man.
You don't have it?
No, I don't have it right now.
Oh man, I gotta put it on for you. That's okay. I was just joking with you. Your phone is ready, sir.
Thank you, man.
There you go.
Thank you. I appreciate it, man.
You happy?
Yes, man.
Where's my case? Wait, let me keep my case. Okay, that's mine now.
All
All right.
I got you, man.
All right,
Thank you.
bye.